Hi, and welcome to this HIPS QR payment demonstration video. In this video I'm going to show you how HIPS QR payment works when using a smartphone with the HIPS merchant app installed to receive a payment and another smartphone to send a payment using the built-in QR scanning function and then paying with Apple Pay. This is a typical use case for payments in taxi where the taxi meter is not connected to HIPS API, but there is of course many other use cases. The phone lying down has the HIPS merchant app installed and is paired to the QR code sticker to the left. Using another phone, the payphone, we can now scan the QR code to initiate a payment request. As you see on the screen on the receiving phone, there is an instant push notification telling the merchant that someone wants to pay. The merchants enter the amount and an optional description and choose QR payment. On the payphone, we will now see the amount transferred and the payer is asking for adding any tips. This is an optional setting for the service sector. The payer can now choose from over 40 alternative payment methods together with the larger card schemes. In this demo, we choose to pay with Apple Pay. Once the payment is confirmed, both the payer and the merchant will be notified and the transaction is over. Thank you for watching this product demonstration, and please check out our other product and tutorial videos here on YouTube. Stay safe.